Hi everyone and welcome to Oscar Outdoors. Join me in this one to do some hammock camping in winter. Welcome back everyone. I promise you it is still winter, although we have had quite a lot of sunshine recently, so yeah, it's a bit confusing. So tonight I'm going to be hammock camping with Paul up at 2 acres. I'll leave a link to where we are just downstairs for you. But although it's sunny, it has been getting really cold overnight, and waking up to a lovely frost covered car every morning this week. I've been on 6.2s this week, so getting up at 4:30, getting myself to work and having to de-ice my car. So hopefully we might have a little bit of that overnight, but it don't look like it at the minute. We've got clear blue skies, a little bit of cloud, not too much. Right, let's get to setting up. Right, so before we lose some light, we're going to get some firewood. There's plenty of fallen trees around here at the minute, so stick with us. Someone's got a boo-boo. Right, welcome back everyone. So we've been here a couple of hours now, well, longer than a couple of hours to be fair. Got here around about 2:30, and as you've seen, we've done probably about 2 hours worth of wood prep. So as I said earlier, there's a lot of deadfall around here, so obviously we were deliming and then sort of sawing the wood, and then we've done a little bit of splitting, not too much. We had a little bit of birch left over from last time we were out in Hopton, so we've got the fire going. We're now just letting it get down to embers, then we're going to start cooking. I was going to talk to you about the gear that I'm in as well, so I'll do that in the morning before I pack up. So yeah, let's get some prep work done for his evening meal. Right, so here we go. I'm going to do some cooking in a second. So as you can see, we've got some beef mince, some scotch bonnet chillies, some oven bottom muffins, some mozzarella slices, onions and garlic. So answers on the postcard, what are we going to be cooking? Right, so we're going to do some prep work. So obviously you can see me cutting an onion. I'll get that in there. So we're going to cut 2 onions up, dice them. That's going to be part of the mix for what we're going to do is burgers. So from scratch, obviously. So we're going to dice up some onion and we're going to mix it in with some mincemeat. I'm going to have scotch bonnets in mine. Paul's not so keen on them. A little bit of garlic in there. Get them all binded, make some burger patties and get them on the embers. Scotch bonnet time. Someone remind me not to lick my fingers when I've done this. Take my hand off now. Really wanted that bit. Well, been a while, but the burgers are finally cooked and looking absolutely amazing. So we stuck the fire back up a little bit. Taking a little bit of a while to go though, because it's still quite moist. It's quite fresh deadfall, if that makes sense.
Green.
So, oh, green fall, yeah. It came over in the wind. So let's have a first bite. Now that is a burger. I'm going to sit and enjoy this. See you soon. Right, well, that's been another great night camping with Paul. Just sat by the fire, putting the world to rights. So it's time for me to get to bed. I'm going to leave you with this time lapse of the sky. Well, good morning. What a lazy morning I am having. So Paul's just made us a brew, and I've had a lie-in. As I say, I've been on 6-2s all week. I think it finally caught up with me because I didn't have to get up. So I didn't have an alarm set. And so I've just sort of naturally woken up a few times and thought, is Paul alive? I've not heard him alive, so I thought, 10 more minutes. Turned out to be quite late. As you can hear, birds are singing. Spring is in the air, although not officially. I think it officially starts on 20th of March, spring, something like that. But yeah. Another comfortable night in the hammock. Zen Bibby kept me lovely and warm. So we'll go through my gear in a bit. But for now, I'm going to sit back, enjoy this coffee. Cheers. Right, well, thanks for joining me for another video. As I said, I'm at 2 Acres Camping. I'll leave a link downstairs so you can go and check out the prices. It is due to be opening at the end of March, so be back open for the public. If you've enjoyed this video, go downstairs, give it a big thumbs up, comment, let me know what you thought about the burgers, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing to the channel by pressing this in the middle. I'll see you in the next one.